Hi guys, you wants to know the secret behind my glowy skin. So it's Advanced Freckle Challenge Kit. I have been using it for 3 weeks and I love it. It includes Advanced Freckle Face Wash, Vitamin C Serum and Advanced Freckle Cream. Advanced Freckle Face Wash deeply removes dirt, dust, and daily impurities and also helps in removing freckles. And the best thing about this face wash are it is sulfate-free and super effective. After using it, my skin becomes soft and clean. Next, I'm using Vince Vitamin C Serum. It reduces dark spots, increase collagen production, brighten up complexion, and also even out your skin. In the last, I am using Advanced Freckle Cream. It removes dark spots and freckles effectively, moisturize your skin, and also make your skin smooth and glowy. So it's a Vince 30 days challenge kit. After using it for 3 weeks, my skin becomes spotless, freckleless, and glowy. If you have deep and resistant freckles, go and order this kit now.